everyone, and welcome back to another campfire cooking video up here in the woods. It's relatively cool today. Over the last week it's been around 27 or 28 degrees, which is way too hot for campfire cooking. But when I arrived at the woods today, it was around 10 degrees at 8 o'clock this morning, so relatively cool. It's almost lunchtime now, so I'm just going to get the campfire started, and I've got a couple of ostrich burgers to cook up. I've never had them before, but I've walked past them a few times in the supermarket over the last few weeks. And I was just thinking to myself, I'm going to have to buy some of those and cook them up in the woods. So I'm going to get cracking and get the fire started. So what I've done is I've positioned myself right in front of the fire where the smoke is blowing right in my face. So these ostrich burgers, I've just read the packaging, and they come pre-grilled, so you don't need to cook them for long. I did bring the TGM Metalworks mini fire anchor with me because I was going to grill the burgers, but to be honest it'll take a bit of time for the fire to burn down to coals suitable for grilling. So I do have the small Finnish wilderness pan. This is my favourite pan. So what I'll do is I'll just get some oil in here and I'll just flash fry the burgers, 3 minutes each side, job done. Well folks, I'm just knocking my baps up. I'm just going to keep the burgers simple. I've got some lettuce and some homegrown tomatoes and just some English mustard. I do have some salt and pepper with me, but I'm not really sure if I need to season the burgers as they're already pre-seasoned, and I want to kind of get the flavour of that ostrich meat, see what it's like. So I'll just slice some tomato up and get these baps knocked up. Well folks, we are going in, getting really hungry now. Gonna get a bit of oil in there. And we'll just put these burgers in. They look to be a decent size as well actually. And if they're pre-grilled, I'm guessing they're not gonna shrink too much. Well folks, these are done. Now what I didn't bring was any sort of spatula to get them into the buns, so this could be a potential banana skin moment. That's one in there. That's two. Whoa. Let's give them a go. Kind of tastes like a beef burger. I have to say that is really nice. So if you see them in the supermarket, I'll put a link to the brand that I got below. I think I paid £3.50 for two of them, but something different in it. does taste good. Well, that's me almost done. I'm going to have to head back to the truck to get some water to properly extinguish that fire pit, and then I'll be out of here. But yeah, I've really enjoyed it this afternoon. It's been a while since I've just been up here on my own in the woods. It's been a perfect day for it as well. So yeah, I've had a nice time. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video as much as I've enjoyed being up here. But yeah, I better get a move on. So as ever, thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next one.